In this tutorial, you will learn how to use FileZilla command line Site Manager. The Site Manager is where you add and edit server connections. To create a new server connection, enter the command site add followed by a name. If a server connection with the same name already exists, an error is returned. Choose a new name. A list of protocols is displayed. Enter the number corresponding to the chosen protocol. In the host prompt, either enter the host name or the IP address. In the port prompt, enter the port or press enter to accept the default. In the logon type prompt, enter the number corresponding to the desired logon type or press enter to accept the default. In the user prompt, enter the username. In the password prompt, enter the password. Enter the default local directory. Press enter to leave it blank. Enter the default remote directory or press enter to leave it blank. Now you're asked whether you want to enter advanced options or not. Enter the number corresponding to the server type or press enter to accept the default. Choose if you want to bypass the proxy or not. Press enter to accept the default. If you want to add a time offset from the server time, enter the hours and minutes offset. Enter the number corresponding to the transfer mode. The transfer mode configuration is available only for FTP. To know more about transfer mode, watch the transfer types video. You find the link in the description. You can also configure the number of concurrent connections. Lastly, you can set the character set used to communicate with the server. Your site is now configured and you can connect to it. To fix the connection error, you have to edit the site. Press enter until you reach the item you want to modify. Now you can connect to the edited site. You may be prompted to trust the server certificate. Enter Y to accept it and continue the connection. To see a list of the sites, use the site list command. To delete a site, use the site del command. In this video, you learned how to use FileZilla command line Site Manager. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use FileZilla command line Site Manager's advanced features. The Site Manager is where you add and edit server connections. To view a list of your sites, use the site list command. This command lists the sites in the current folder. To create a new folder, enter the command sitemkd. To change the current folder, use the command sitecd. To know which folder is the current folder, use the command sitecwf. New sites are created under the current directory. To create a copy of a site, use the command sitecopy. If you omit the destination name when copying a site, FileZilla Pro CLI adds a number to it. To return to the previous folder, use the command sitecd followed by 2 dots. To remove a folder, use the sitemf command. You will be asked to confirm the removal of the folder and its content. In this video, you learned how to use FileZilla command line Site Manager. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.